How to find someone using their phone number on X. Let's get started. Open up your X application and then log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Scroll below, tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside here, scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Settings one more time. Scroll below, tap on Discoverability and Contacts. Then inside here under Contact, make sure Sync Address Book Contacts is toggled on. After that, allow access to your phone contacts if prompted. This will upload your saved contacts to X. Now head back to your profile. Tap onto your profile icon, then tap on Profile right over here. And now select Following. Just like that inside here, you can simply tap on the plus button right over here. And now simply tap on Get Started. Then tap on Continue. And then allow permissions. X will now sync your contact and suggest account linked to the saved number. Note that this only works if the phone number is saved in your contact, the person has linked that number to their X account, and if they haven't disabled discoverability. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.